YouTube Shorts are separate, completely separate algorithm, different rules, different metrics, but they can accelerate your long-form growth exponentially if you use them correctly. Most creators either ignore Shorts or obsess over them, both wrong. In this video, I break down whether Shorts make sense for your channel and exactly how to use them strategically. Let's start with the fundamental truth. YouTube Shorts algorithm is completely different from long-form algorithm. Long-form prioritizes watch time in minutes. How many minutes watched? Retention percentage? What percentage watched to the end? Click-through rate. Do people click from browse feed? Audience satisfaction? Do viewers come back? Shorts prioritizes completely different signals. Watch time on Shorts, not in minutes, in percentages. 100% means fully watched. Shares. How many people share the short? Replays. Loop rate. How many people rewind and watch again? Swipe-through rate. What percentage swipe to next short without finishing yours? Comments. Less valuable on Shorts than long form. The metrics are fundamentally different. You optimize differently. Let's talk about Short-specific metrics in detail. Watch time on Shorts, measured in percentages, not minutes. A short watched fully is 100%. Watched halfway is 50%. YouTube tracks this. Fully watched Shorts get prioritized. Swipe-through rate. What percentage of viewers swiped to next short without finishing yours? High swipe-through rate means viewers not interested. YouTube stops recommending. Low swipe-through rate means viewers interested. YouTube recommends more. Loop rate. How many people rewatch the short? Rewatched Shorts are gold to algorithm. People rewatching means content resonates. Shares. When someone shares a short, it's strong signal to algorithm. Shares mean viewer thought it so good they told friend. Algorithm prioritizes. Let's talk about the Shorts discovery mechanism. Shorts have their own feed, separate from long form. When someone opens YouTube app on mobile, they might see Shorts feed, For You tab. This is different from browse feed for long form. Shorts algorithm shows Shorts to random users. If engagement strong, escalates. This is discovery opportunity. Shorts users might never follow you long form, but discover you through Shorts. Let's talk about whether Shorts make sense for your niche. Ask yourself 3 critical questions. Question 1. Is your content naturally short form friendly? Can your message be understood in 15 to 60 seconds? YouTube growth content. Yes, you can explain concepts in 60 seconds. Philosophy content. Maybe, depends on depth needed. Technical tutorials. Harder, usually need more time. Question 2. Does your audience consume Shorts? Some niches are Shorts heavy, entertainment, comedy, dance. Some niches are long form dominant, education, professional development. Check YouTube. See if channels in your niche have successful Shorts. Question 3. Do you have capacity? Shorts take less time per video, but you need many. Shorts feed hungry for volume. Can you create Shorts without sacrificing long-form quality? Let's talk about repurposing long-form into Shorts. Don't create entirely separate content for Shorts. Extract clips from your long-form videos. Convert to Shorts. One 8-minute video become 8 to 10 Shorts. Benefits: saves production time. Already created content. Just clips. Maintains message consistency. Clips already proven content. Lower risk. You know content works. From long form. Example: long form, how YouTube algorithm works, 8 minutes, convert to 10 Shorts. Short 1, YouTube has 5 algorithms, not 1. Short 2, algorithm number 1, browse feed. Short 3, algorithm number 2, search. Short 4, algorithm number 3, suggested videos. Short 5, algorithm number 4, Shorts feed. Short 6, algorithm number 5, notifications. Short 7, the 3 universal signals. Short 8, 48-hour testing phase explained. Short 9, what most creators get wrong. Short 10, key takeaway. Each short 20 to 30 seconds. High retention. Some viewers' curiosity click full 8-minute video. Result: 8 Shorts driving traffic to 1 long-form video. Let's talk about how Shorts impact long-form growth. Viewer discovers you through short. They watch the short. See, watch full video or see your channel name. Click. Go to channel, watch long-form video. Subscribe. This Shorts to long-form funnel. Not every short viewer becomes long-form subscriber, but some. Shorts discovery mechanism, funnel people to long-form. Let's talk about real Shorts impact example. Channel without short strategy. 10 long-form videos uploaded. Growth slow, depending on algorithm. Month 1, 500 views. Month 2, 700 views. Organic growth but limited. Same channel with short strategy. 10 long-form videos uploaded, plus 80 Shorts, 8 per long-form video. Shorts algorithm shows Shorts to new audiences. Some viewers click through to long-form videos. Month 1, 5,000 views, 10 times more. Month 2, 8,000 views, 12 times more. Same long-form content, amplified through Shorts. Let's talk about when Shorts are distraction versus growth lever. Shorts are distraction if you spend more time creating Shorts than long form. Shorts don't drive traffic to long form. You're burning out trying balance both. Your audience doesn't watch Shorts. Check analytics. Shorts are growth lever if you're repurposing, not creating separately. Shorts viewers click through to long form. Time investment manageable. Your analytics show Shorts working for your niche. Let's talk about measuring Shorts success. YouTube Analytics shows Shorts performance separately. Check, are viewers watching your Shorts? Completion percentage. Are Shorts viewers clicking to channel or long-form videos? Is time investment paying off? If yes to all three, double down Shorts. Their growth lever. If no to any, pause Shorts. Focus long-form. Can always come back. Let's talk about Shorts strategy for different channel sizes. Small channels, 0 to 10,000 subscribers. Shorts can be discovery mechanism. New audiences finding you through Shorts? Focus on repurposing. Don't create Shorts-only content. Growing channels, 10,000 to 100,000. Shorts amplifying long-form reach, more established. Can invest more in Shorts because long-form foundation's strong. Established channels, over 100,000. Shorts secondary to long-form primary traffic source. Use Shorts strategically, but don't overinvest. Let's talk about the psychology of Shorts viewers. Shorts viewers, different mindset than long-form viewers. Shorts, quick, entertaining, discovery mindset. Scrolling mindset, long-form, dedicated, learning mindset, intentional viewing. Same person might be Shorts viewer at midnight, scrolling in bed, and long-form viewer in morning, learning mindset. Understand this difference. Shorts and long-form serve different purposes. Let's talk about Shorts and consistency. If you pursue Shorts, be consistent. Posting 1 short per week, YouTube doesn't prioritize. Posting 5 to 10 shorts per week, YouTube notices. But this is repurposing, not separate content creation. 8 long-form videos per month plus 60 to 80 shorts per month, same 8 long-form scripts, just clips extracted. Let's talk about common Shorts mistakes. Mistake 1, creating Shorts-only content. This splits your production effort, confuses your brand, doesn't drive to long-form. Fix, repurpose from long-form. Mistake 2, pursuing Shorts when niche doesn't work. Your audience doesn't watch Shorts. You're wasting time. Fix, check analytics first. If not working, pause. Mistake 3, inconsistent Shorts posting. Post 5 shorts 1 week, 1 short next week. Algorithm confused. Fix, consistent schedule. Mistake 4, obsessing over Shorts at expense of long-form. Long-form is primary. Shorts are amplifier. Fix, prioritize long-form. Use Shorts to amplify. Step 1, decide if Shorts make sense for your niche. Step 2, extract 5 to 10 shorts from your best long-form video. Step 3, edit them. Step 4, upload. Step 5, monitor. Step 6, commit. Step 7, post consistently. Step 8, track. Step 9, double down. Step 10, reassess. Shorts are optional, but strategically pursued, they're powerful amplifiers. In hack number 19, we cover collaboration strategies. Like and subscribe so you get it. See you in hack number 19. End of hack number 18, script.